Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create local user account in Windows 10 without security questions. Click Start button. Click Settings. Click Accounts. Click Family and Other People. Click Add someone else to this PC. Click I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click Add a user without Microsoft account. This method you must enter 3 security questions. Another method is the best method to create local user account without security questions. Right-click Start button. Click Computer Management. Click Local Users and Groups. Click Users. Right-click the mouse. Click New User. Type the username and password. Uncheck user must change password at next logon. Check password never expires. Click Create. Close. Local user is created successfully without security questions. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.